How to use Viva Aerobus honest review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Viva Aerobus is a popular low-cost airline in Mexico, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost money or cause unnecessary stress. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They assume the cheapest ticket includes everything. The surprising truth is that baggage, seat selection, and even onboard refreshments often come at an extra cost. Always check what's included before booking. Another common mistake is not booking in advance. Viva Aerobus offers incredible discounts for early bookings, but waiting too long can significantly increase prices. Many travelers also overlook the check-in process. Viva Aerobus requires online check-in before arriving at the airport. Skipping this step can lead to fees or denied boarding. Finally, beginners often ignore flight flexibility. Low-cost fares may have strict change and cancellation policies. Understanding your options ahead of time avoids surprises and costly penalties. In conclusion, using Viva Aerobus properly means understanding what's included, booking early, checking in online, and reviewing flexibility policies. Avoiding these mistakes ensures a smooth, affordable travel experience in 2025.